Hello everyone. In today's short video I'm gonna talk to you about the knight in chess. The knight in chess is located for white on row 1, 1b right here and 1g. For the opposite side for black on row 8b and 8g. Now if you look at the knight, it is probably the most confusing piece in chess. That is because of the way it can move. If you look at the knight, it cannot move in straight lines, but it moves in L shapes or an inverted L. If you look at this white knight, for example, the dot represents the tile where it can go to in this turn. As you can see, they are not located diagonally or on a straight line. The way you decide whether it can move towards that specific tile or not is via this method. If you take the knight and you move it 2 tiles out in any of the axes and then 1 tile in the other axis. So for example, if you take the knight, we move it 2 tiles on the x-axis and then you can move it 1 tile in the y-axis towards these or these. For example, like this. Now, if you do that the same, 2 tiles in the x-axis, so this way, like this, you can move it to the left or to the right now for 1 tile, like this. You see that these are L-shaped. The knight, the white knight here, can move towards all of these tiles, like this. Now, if you look at the black knight, it is on a darker tile and it can never go on another dark tile before it first was on a white tile. If you look at this darker knight, it can only move towards these lighter tiles like these. Now, if you look at these 2 knights here below and these pawns, the white knight does not have any problems with moving over the other pawns. Despite the pawns being there, the knight can still move towards this tile, like this. The black knight can also do the same. For example, like this. There is no problem with moving over other pieces, and that is special for the knight. Because of this reason, the knight is generally considered better in the early game and the bishop is considered better in the later game because less pieces are when you move the head in your game. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing as it helps us out making more videos for you. Goodbye.